Hello, my name is Alfredis, and today we're going to be doing a Starfire makeup tutorial. Now, if you don't know who Starfire is, she's super cool. She's a member of the Teen Titans, and she can fly and shoot lasers from her eyes and gain languages by kissing people. I have a makeup schematic right here, and there's probably going to be a little more pink than is on the schematic. That's okay. We're going to be using mostly Marron Cream stick makeup, although there's also a Marron squeeze tube makeup. We're going to be using some Ben Nye white cream makeup, some Revlon cream lilac lipstick, and some Almay black liquid eyeliner. The first step we're going to do is we're going to apply a base on the face of orange. I like to apply using a brush and then rub it in using a makeup sponge. Now we're all nice and orange. I'm sorry, it looks a little more orange in person. The next step is the eyes. Starfire has startlingly green eyes, and since we don't have eyes, we are going to make a false eye on top of our own eye. First off, apply green cream makeup using a brush. Using liquid eyeliner, we're going to create a false eyelash on top of these fake eyes so that when you close your eyes, your current eyelashes are now the bottom lashes of Starfire's eyes. So as you could see in the video, I messed up those eyelashes the first time. I just took it off with a makeup wipe, reapplied some of the makeup. Always keep a makeup wipe with you. So I finished these off camera. And next we're going to put on her eyeshadow, which is going to be purple. I'm just going to use this purple lipstick all over my face. And if you're not comfortable with that, buy two lipsticks. One for your lips and one for the face. So now we're just going to outline and slightly fill the eyebrows. We honestly probably should have done this before the eyeshadow, but we can make this work. If it's a little too dark, just clean it up with a makeup wipe. I'm telling you, your makeup wipe is going to be your best friend in this makeup lab. Just like this. Don't go too hard. You're just making it look a little more natural while still making sure that these stand out. Now that the eye area is finished, we're going to go back around and we're going to use black cream makeup to do outlines on Starfire's face in order to make her look like a cartoon character. Next, we're just going to put little lines here at the sides of her temple like she's been drawn in a comic book. Now that the outline's done, we're going to go back through and add those pink and purple details. The lips are going to be last because they get messed up the easiest. We're going to use the hot pink to define her cheekbones and her nose. This pink is going to be used for a shadow on the cheek and a highlight on the nose. You can see the depth that the pink has added to the face, and now we're going to go back through and we're going to take the purple and we're going to use it to highlight the cheeks, chin, and forehead. It doesn't show up as much as the pink, which is good because we don't want those areas to be as prominent as the pink areas, which we have done. Almost done, just time for the lips and the nose. We're going to outline the lips with liquid eyeliner, apply the purple lipstick. We're going to line the inside of the lips with liquid eyeliner and then apply a little white dot to represent sunlight on that lip. And on the nose, we're going to create a little pentagon and two details on the outside to define the nose, and then we're done. I didn't like how the outer lip line was turning out, so I decided to discard it. You got to do that sometimes, just be flexible. Now for the nose. There you have it, the completed Starfire makeup design. I'm going to get in real close and close my eyes so that you get the full effect. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope that this inspires you to make your own Starfire makeup on your own face. Thank you.